Open the top cover. It's not important if the printer is turned on or turned off. Grasp the handle of the toner cartridge and remove the toner cartridge. Remove the new toner cartridge from the package. Remove the packaging materials. This cartridge has no seal. Don't touch the green roller. Gently rock the toner cartridge back and forth to distribute the toner inside the cartridge. Insert the new cartridge. Align the new toner cartridge with the tracks inside the printer. Then push the toner cartridge until it's firmly seated. Close the top cover.